Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your carrier and logging into your account. This gives control over service-level voicemail. Once done, open your phone's phone app and go straight to voicemail settings to disable visual voicemail or change the greeting. Make sure you have a second device ready for test calls so you can verify behavior immediately. You do this now to avoid chasing settings later. Disabling locally first short circuits common phone-level forwarding and keeps the process efficient. Now remove call forwarding rules that send calls to voicemail. Dial the carrier's cancel code or change forwarding in your account portal because phone settings alone might not stop network-level routing. Once done, uninstall visual voicemail apps and clear stored messages, which prevents old greetings from auto-answering. If your carrier requires a voicemail password, remove it or reset it via support so the mailbox becomes inaccessible. This step addresses the complex middle work. Both device and network must be updated. Finish by running test calls from 2 different numbers. Listen for ringing beyond the carrier's usual timeout and ensure no greeting plays. If voicemail still answers, contact carrier support and request mailbox deletion or manual deprovisioning. Sometimes only they can remove the service. Make sure to reset network settings on your phone if instructed, then retest. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is: ask the carrier to provision a null voicemail or disable voice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.